Okay, everybody, here's the five hats problem. So I have class with three delightful young ladies, but they're sometimes, a little bit challenging. So here's what they decided. They said, give us a riddle so we never have to do work again. We can solve any one of your riddles. And here's how it goes. So I told the ladies, I said, hey, ladies, I have three hats that are blue and two hats that are red for a grand total of five hats. They said, yeah, we're with you. I said, okay, ladies, I need you to close your eyes. And I'm going to put a hat on each of your heads. You won't know the color, but you do know the source from where I'm getting these hats. Three blues and two reds. The ladies obliged. I put a hat on each of the ladies' heads. And then I said, if you can guess the hat on your head without taking the hat off the top of your head and looking at it, by only using information around the room, meaning you can look at your friends' hats and see what's going on. And then if you can determine the color of the hat on your head, definitely, I will stop teaching and you can do your own geometry by yourself. The children agreed. So I wouldn't give away the answer. I just put little pretend hats on, but the hats are either red or blue, not gray. Okay, so the first young lady, let's call her Chloe. Chloe opens her eyes, looks at the other two ladies, and Chloe's pretty smart. If Chloe can answer the question in an affirmed way and know the color of her hat, she would definitely tell us. And Chloe sadly says, no, there's no possible way that I can know beyond a shadow of a doubt. So she is not going to win. Next, the next young lady opens her eyes. Her name is Diva. Diva first looks to her left, then her right. She thinks really hard. She even frowns a little. And I mentioned to you these ladies are really smart. If there was any way for Diva to know, she would tell us. And Diva thinks about what Chloe told us, and Diva thinks again about what she's seen, and she replies, unfortunately, I can't tell you the answer either. Finally, the last young lady, we'll call her Marley. Marley's thinking really hard too. But Marley doesn't open her eyes, not yet. She thinks really hard. She thinks about what Chloe saw. She thinks about what Diva saw, must have seen in order to not answer. And did I mention how smart these ladies are? If there was any way for them to know, they would be able to know because they're just that smart. And Marley thinks, and then slowly, Marley begins to smile. She says to her classmates, I know exactly what color hat I have on my head. And she tells them what color, either blue or red, and she explains how she knows beyond a shadow of a doubt. And here's the thing, Marley never opens her eyes. Your problem this week is to tell me what color hat Marley has on her head and how she knows beyond a shadow of a doubt without even opening her eyes. Good luck.